director, HODs of concerned department, staff, and my dear students. Well, it is a combination of freshers and farewell. Different concept. In fact, late fresher, early farewell. I got to remember my college days. The same kind of practice even my batch has followed. We have given the late fresher and early farewell. IT people are playing the role of managers. Punish the penny, not with many. One party in spite of two. Well, first year students, I once again formally welcome all the first year students in this IMT family, IMT Parivar, सब भाई बहन हैं. Once you are a part of this family now, it is the responsibility of all of us to prove ourselves. In the sense, you are into first year, you are into first semester. Just first semester is about to over. Students, everything is in your hand right now. I am talking about first year students, first semester students. As we all know, that good companies for the placement really need minimum 70% of attendance. Percentage of marks. 70% of marks. Placement is possible. Everywhere, those who are passing any course are placed. Everybody is placed. After doing MCA, everybody is placed in fact. We do have the persons who have done MCA, are working in 5,000 also, and are working 50,000 also. What makes the difference? The difference is of percentage only. Placement सभी को मिल रहा है. But the difference is of 10, 5,000, 50,000. बहुत बड़ा difference नहीं है, but it is the biggest difference. Another thing for the first year student which is to be taken care, only two things. इन दो चीज का ध्यान रख लो, everything is possible. I have told you the percentage and the communication. If you have the combination of these two things, you are above all. Otherwise, big difference of 1-0. Let's come to the final year students. Early farewell. You were the part of IMT from last almost 3 years now. Still you are the part of IMT. You will always remain the part of IMT. You are the family member of this IMT family, and you will always remain the family member of this IMT family. I will not discuss anything about academics with you, third year students, because academics part is almost over now. But I would definitely like to discuss about the humanity and kindness here. Now, once you are passing out, the biggest challenge is going to be start now. This was an easy path which you have covered. Now this is the time when you need to prove yourself. अभी तक तो बहुत आसान था. This is the time when you need to prove yourself. When you need to show talent, when you need to show whatever you have done in these past 2.5, 3 years, when you need to show your performances, when you need to prove your academics, your communication, everything. Here your lives, here your careers starts now. पढ़ाई तो बहुत कर ली. Now it is time to prove with the kindness. And the kindness includes a good human being, good humanity, good nature, good behavior, and good thinking. This is what is to be learned. If you have these things with you, you are everywhere. And kindness costs nothing. Just you have to pay respect to your seniors. You have to regard your juniors, and you have to be good with everybody with good heart. That is what is required after you get passed from here in your whole life. As I told you that you were the member of this family, after passing out from here also, whenever you feel like that you need IMT in any way, in any terms, we are always there to support you. 3 साल का रिश्ता ही नहीं है जो 3 साल खत्म होगा everything is over. No, it is a lifelong relationship. It is a lifelong bond what we have signed, and we will, from my side, on behalf of IMT, I can commit you, we will try to maintain this relationship till we are alive. I wish a great success for all the passing out students, and I pray for all the happiness for the passing out students and the existing students also. Thank you.